Hello, and welcome to our final lesson in Module 2. So far, we've focused entirely on what your audience will see on the screen. But a successful presentation also relies on what they don't see. Have you ever been nervous that you might forget a key statistic, a specific date, or an important talking point? That's a common fear. The professional solution to this is speaker notes, and they're your secret weapon for a flawless delivery. What are speaker notes? Speaker notes are your private script. They are notes that you can see on your screen when you're in presenter view, but they are completely invisible to your audience, who will only see your main slide. Think of it this way. The slide should be clean and simple, with just key phrases and visuals for the audience. The detailed explanations, the specific data points, the stories you want to tell, and the reminders for yourself, all of that belongs in the speaker notes. Using speaker notes allows you to keep your slides uncluttered and professional while ensuring you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. How to add speaker notes. Adding speaker notes is incredibly simple. In normal view, you'll see a pane at the bottom of your screen that says "Click to add notes." That's it. If you don't see it, just look for the Notes button on the status bar at the very bottom of the PowerPoint window. Clicking this button will toggle the Notes pane on and off. You can click and drag the top border of this pane to give yourself more or less room to type. A pro tip: don't write a novel. Your notes should be easy to glance at. Use short sentences, bullet points, or even just single keywords to jog your memory.
Let's add some speaker notes to your presentation right now. 1. Go to your agenda slide. In the notes pane below it, type a brief sentence for each agenda item to remind yourself what you want to say. For example, for the first point, I will briefly recap last month's goals. 2. Now, go to the slide where you wrote your key achievement, increase sales by 15%. In the notes pane for that slide, add a supporting detail. For example, mention that this was driven by the new marketing campaign in the North region. 3. Practice hiding and showing the notes pane by clicking the Notes button on the status bar.
And there you have it. You now know how to use one of the most powerful features for any presenter. Speaker notes give you confidence, they keep your slides clean, and they ensure you never forget your key points. Congratulations on completing Module 2. You've learned how to build a presentation structure, work with layouts, format text, and prepare your own private script. In Module 3, we get to do the really fun part: designing our presentation to make it look visually stunning and professional. I look forward to seeing you there.